Hey up guys, it's Jordan Bikes. Today we've got for sale this gorgeous Kawasaki Versys 650. Real nice comfortable bike are these. This one's a 2015 on a 65 plate and it's done 4,763 miles. Real nice bike, like I said, 2015 65 plate. Hardly any miles at all for what it's done. It's got ABS on it, it's got some shower forks as well, shower fork internal, sorry. The green spring, real nice in the slate grey with the black tank and stuff like that. Two-piece luggage. It's a cool bike. Give it a quick rev for you because they sound pretty fruity, these do. So yeah, if you're wanting a small economical tourer, this is what you need to get. Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes and get it bought. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.